Hello, welcome to my video, welcome to my channel. My name is Simone. If you're new here, then I'm very glad you clicked on this video. So for today, I'm going to sort of revise for my exams that's coming up soon. We have like a practical element of the exam, and we also have like written papers as well. So today I'm meeting up with a group of friends to revise for the practical exams that we have. So I'll bring you guys along and you will see what I get up to. I was explaining it will involve me looking, feeling, and moving your shoulders. Is that okay with you? Yeah, great. So before we start, are you in pain? No. So now we're looking through the elbow exam.
Wait. You make sure you remember us, yeah. If you get famous,
When you do get famous, I will be part of this video.
you know there was this one.
Wow. Smile for the camera.
Now I'm having lunch. I didn't bring much though. It's just an egg sandwich and what's it called?
Yeah.
Well, you found someone's card.
Yeah, we just found this on the floor and it's got their provisional and like.
Dang, what's the name? Oh.
133 Southeast.
Yeah. So we have an hour practice. We have now practice our OSCE examinations because we're going to have them soon, and those were the practical exams that I talked about earlier. So yeah. What is the OSCE first of all? Oh my gosh, go on.
It's just a practical exam that you do every year at the end of each year. Yeah. And you just examine actors, do procedures. Try not to fail.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're not putting that in.
Yeah, I am. I'm gonna stand behind you and I'm gonna be feeling for different areas. Right, so what are you? If you could, would you like a chaperone?
No, I'm okay. Do you want me to lay down this way then? Okay. UK smoking epidemiology.
So what are we doing?
We are going to do a cardio exam. Yeah, let's just.
Wait, is it a time lapse?
No, it's not a time lapse. Oh, a time lapse later.
Oh, it's an actual vlog.
Yeah.
Exam on you, which will involve me having a look at you, having a feel for your chest as well, and listening to your heart contraction. So today I did an exam on Zoe. I think I forgot to like just feel for your provocative.
Yeah, and the listen as well.
Yeah, exactly. If I remember correctly.
Oh, am I still recording?
Second year.
No, I would do first year.
First year.
Yeah, I'll do first year stuff. Okay. No, for whoever.
Can you do second year?
What TikTok trend or something?
Yeah, it's a TikTok trend. Okay. Yeah, first line investigation for hypertension.
Blood pressure.
First line investigation.
Bloods.
Oh no, sorry, first line management. That's what I meant.
Oh,
ACE inhibitors.
Depends on their age. So
If they're
if
over
55 years old.
Okay, cool. You guys.
Or black, if they're black.
What is the investigation findings for rheumatoid arthritis?
Oh.
On X-ray.
Subchondral sclerosis.
Yeah. Subchondral, yeah.
Erosions. Periarticular.
Lots of
Lots of joint
space.
space.
A lot of, yeah, great. And
juxta-articular erosion.
okay, yeah,
More
yeah,
than
that's
1
good.
hour of morning stiffness, or is it less?
No, that's symptoms.
Joint changes.
We're just doing investigations.
Investigation.
Okay.
Around me are familiar.
It's going really well. What is the auto antibodies for SLE specifically?
Anti-dsDNA.
Yeah. What else? Two more.
ANA.
Okay, that's yeah. Okay, fine. I will give you that. And
What were you
well,
thinking?
anti-Smith.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Fair enough. What's the first line management for asthma? Acute asthma.
Subbutamol.
Salbutamol. Okay. Second line.
ICS.
Corticosteroids.
Okay, great. I will do one more because you guys look tired. Okay, so this was from year 1.
Oh.
Okay.
You understand that you went 2 years ago. What are you doing?
Okay, so what would you find on examination of a person with sciatic arthritis?
Psoriatic.
Psoriatic.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
So,
Psoriatic.
yeah.
Is it
Psoriatic
not
plaques.
symmetrical?
Yeah, symmetrical, yeah.
Psoriatic plaques.
And,
And then what else?
The DIPs more than...
Yeah, diabetes more than.
Sausage fingers dactylitis.
Yeah,
right.
great.
Alright, I'm out.
Okay, great. You guys were struggling.
This school... Do you know how much pressure she puts under?
for no reason.
Hello, today is a new day. I'm in a study room, just a random one, because the one I tried to get into, the building is closed down, and even this one is actually closed down, but I managed to meet someone who studied biology, which is this building, so he let me in, so I need to ask him to let me out when I have to leave. So yeah, I'm just this random building, random room. I hope no one comes in here, because if they do, then I have to go. Since I don't have access to the room I booked, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So yeah, let's just study for an hour and a half. So yeah, let's get going. So I've been going on for like about an hour, like 1 hour 30 minutes. I think I might do a little bit more because I'm not done with this lecture that we got taught last week. So I'm just going through it. I already have sort of notes from other people and I've watched videos on it, but I think I just want to go through like the lecture notes just to see that I'm not learning like too much or too little. So yeah, I'm doing. I'm very tired, but after I'm finished with this and done some questions on the topic, me and my friend, I'm gonna watch this new Netflix series and Netflix show called Queen Charlotte. So I'm very excited for that. Hello, so today is a new day. Yesterday actually, after I was with my friend in the lecture hall, I decided to go to my auntie's, and then I did some more revision there because I remembered I also had like a revision session that was held by one of the medical societies, so I decided to join in and sort of have a listen to what they have to say. But yeah, I thought just ending the video here. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you got some insight into what medical students do during exam season, and yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Bye.